Okay, so what is query loading ramp?
Yeah, so Query Loading Ramp is a new tool that we've rolled out with Database Health Monitor. Currently, it is released alongside Database Health Monitor. So if you get the latest version, you'll get the latest version of the Query Loading Ramp as well. But a little bit of a background on it is we've been doing a few load tests. We've been involved in a few load tests for a few clients here and there, and they all use special tools for whatever fits their current situation. But none of those tools have really scratched the itch of breaking specific queries that we're looking for. So we came up with this standalone tool that we've released, and we use it to, well, like we've said a few times, break queries and figure out how we can fix them even better.
Yep. So one of the things we can do with this is we can run one or more SQL queries across n concurrent sessions simultaneously, where n is up to thousands of open sessions. This is very similar to like if you had web server or a web farm that was hitting your SQL database, which kind of we see a lot of that, and that's where the kind of the foundation of this came from is that you might have a web server that has 1,000 connections on it. Well, rather than doing that, we've got an application that's going to simulate those 1,000 sessions doing different queries throughout the system.
Thanks for watching. I'm Steve, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click the thumbs up icon. And if you want to subscribe, click subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we have new videos. All right, have a great day.